Morning students, today we are going to read about the historical factors that influence the diversity of the region. So take out page number C7 in your social book, chapter number 1, civics diversity. So India had trade relation with countries of east and the west from ancient time. The Indian merchants sailed to foreign lands. Likewise, merchants of other countries also came to India to strengthen trade relations. In the course of nations, many kings and nobles from different lands came to India and settled here. They brought their lives, beliefs, thoughts, culture, tradition with them. Trade and cultural relations have existed between India and China from the ancient times. The rulers of China helped Buddhism grow rapidly in Tibet. Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh. The Arabs also used to visit India's western coast for trade and commerce. During the Gupta period, many Romans had come to India for trade and intellectual pursuits. St. Thomas brought Christianity to Kerala in AD 57. By about 18th century AD, people of India had come into contact with the different regions of the world. As a result, various cultures began to spread here. The exchange of new ideas and culture had a deep impact on Indian society. So, students, today I am going to explain you this. Yes, India had trade relation means India had that business जिसे हम हिंदी में व्यापार भी are saying trade relation they have with each other in which the countries from the east and the west from ancient times they are coming to India for the trade relations for their trading for they brought their business here and we are also exporting some things from our in India. Indian merchants are sailing. Sail means they are going by ship or by it is not possible with the boat, but by the ship they are taking their things which we are producing more in the India to the foreign land, to the neighboring countries. So likewise, merchant of other countries, this like this, the Veparis merchants from the other countries are coming to our India to make strong our trade relations with our country India and our neighbor countries. Like this, our trading relations are becoming more strong. So in this course of invention means when the kings came here when they want to attack here in Vedic time, they have come from different lands to India. So they bring and they came here, and when they won here, they settled down here, and they brought their belief. They have their tradition, their culture with them, their thoughts, their different thought, different traditions, different culture, different dresses, different languages. This that also came with them. So they bring here in our India. So trade and culture relation have existed between India and China. So like this trading culture and then their culture relations also exist in our India and China from the not from now, from very old time, from thousands of years before. We have this relation here, trading relation and cultural relation. So rulers of China which who they help us in the Buddhism, the religion Buddhism growing rapidly in the Tibet. So Dalai Lama, the guru, great guru of the Buddhism, like this Buddhism grow rapidly in our Tibet. So Buddhism reached Tibet via in how Buddhism reached to Tibet via Ladakh. Ladakh is a very cold place and very popular hill station and tourist place. So by this we know very well the Ladakh. So Ladakh is very beautiful place. So the here through the Tibet via Ladakh Buddhism reached to Tibet. So Arabs also, Arabians also from Arab country also people visit our India in western coast, and the trade and commerce. By commerce means business and trade also through Vepar the trading they came to our western coast also. In western during Gupta's western coast means our western we have western country, western states also India, like our Gujarat, our Rajasthan. These all are in the western area. So during the Gupta period, in the Gupta when Gupta ruler are there, that by period time period of that ruling time, the Romans came to our India in Gupta's ruling time. So maybe you know the name of Chandragupta. So that time Romans came to India for the trading, for the this trading Vepar, and the intellectual pursuit, they also bring with their religious belief with them. Intellectual is adhyatmic religious beliefs pursued with them. First of all, in the Christianity who brought to India, Saint Thomas brought the Christianity in India. In which state? In India, in Kerala. And AD 57, AD 57 is a common year starting on Saturday of the Julian calendar. Okay, at that time it was known as the year of AD 57. So this is Saturday of the Julian calendar. According to Julian calendar, it is called AD 57. By about 18th century in AD, the people of India come to contact with the different religions. Like this, different rulers, different kings, from China also, from Arab also. Saint Thomas brought Christianity. Like this, so many religions come to. Buddhism came to India. China, from China, like this, Buddhism come to India, and different ruler according to them they brought Saint Thomas bring Christianity to India. Like this, so many religions come to India, and the people of the India also come to the contact of these religions in the world, different religion of the world. So as a result, what happened? Various cultures began to spread here. So like this, when different religions came here, so various culture traditions also spread in the India. So the exchange of new ideas, the exchange of new ideas, because already they have different state, different culture here, diversities here, but then the different languages, different cultures from the other countries also came here, and like this, people are exchanging their ideas to each other, culture to each other. We are following their culture, and they are also trying to follow our one, good one. So had a deep impact on the Indian. Like this, India have a deep impact on them. Indian society get impact on the Indian society. So students, today's topic now I am going to over. This is your today's topic. Now next topic we will I will explain you in the next video.